Welcome to my channel Vision by Nalblushi. Today we are going to learn the grammar nouns. What is a noun? Noun is the name, or you can say noun is a naming word. A noun is the name of a person, animal, place, or a thing. Okay, so noun is the name of anything, name of a person, name of an animal, name of a place, name of a thing. Okay, so noun is a naming word. A noun is the name of a person, animal, place, or a thing. Noun is name of a person, of animal, place, thing, fruit or vegetable, anything. Noun is name of anything. Okay, so let's see. Person. Put the nouns in the correct order. Tiger. What is tiger? Tiger is an animal. Yes, tiger is name of an animal. Tiger is animal and a noun. Teacher. Teacher is name of a person. A person who teaches is a teacher. And shop. Shop is a place. Shop. Book. Book is a thing. Doctor. Doctor is a person who treats the people. Pen. Pen is a thing. Okay. Beach. Beach is a place near the sea. And elephant. Elephant is an animal. Elephant. School. School is a place. And dog. Dog is an animal, name of an animal. Boy. Boy is name of a person. Bag. Bag is name of a thing. Computer, also a thing. Computer. Okay. Park. Park is name of a place. Dad. Dad is name of a person. Cat, name of an animal. Okay, so try and understand what is the noun. Noun is the name of a person, of an animal, place, or a thing. Noun is a naming verb. These all are nouns. These all are nouns, because what is the noun? Noun is the name, ism. Noun is the name of a person, شخص, animal, الحيوان, place, مكان, thing, أشياء والأغراض. Noun is the name of a person, animal, place, or a thing. So all these are name of the persons. All these are names of the animals. All these are names of places, and all these are names of the things. So what are these? These all are nouns. You understood? What is the noun? Noun is the name of a person, name of an animal, name of a place, name of a thing. Or you can say noun is a naming word. Naming word. Noun is the name of everything. Noun is a naming word. Name of everything is called noun. Or you can say noun is the name of person, animal, place, or things, or vegetables, or fruits. I am repeating again and again so that it will set in your mind that what the noun is. Hope you understood the lesson. What is the noun? If you like the video, please give it a like and share it to other people. Thank you.